Welcome to MAPOG. Explore dynamic visualizations known as category maps in our section titled Mapping Forest Types Using Category Style, which offer invaluable insights into the spatial distribution of forest types. See how category map analysis helps understand vegetation patterns and supports forest conservation efforts. Let's look at an example. Navigate to the Analysis tool and initiate the process by selecting Add Upload. Choose Upload Vector File to input your data for a detailed examination. To create the category map style, open the layer style by clicking on the action menu of the layer, then select Edit Style, and finally choose Category Style. Next, select the attribute for visualization and click Save Style. Make your map user-friendly. Label points easily by using the Label feature option in the Action button of the layer. Click on the pencil icon to rename the map if desired. Then, click Save Map to apply the changes and keep your data organized. In conclusion, the Category Style feature on MAPOG's platform is a powerful tool for analyzing forest types. It enhances our understanding of vegetation patterns and aids in effective forest conservation strategies. Discover the potential of category maps and help preserve our forests. Share your findings with others effortlessly. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and analysis. For further inquiries or assistance, reach out to support@mapog.com and discover more innovative solutions for spatial data analysis.